Welcome back to Bunnex Investment Group. As you know that we produce content that is useful to traders, and in this video we are going to talk about a tool that will definitely change how you see the markets. So this tool is called Advanced Insights and is mostly offered by a broker named HFM, which is a broker that I've traded with for the past 8 years. Alright, so basically what is this tool and how do we use it? We actually say whenever we are making our trading decisions, the more confluence we have is the more or the higher the probability of success within a particular trade. So the markets are actually driven by three things. We have the fundamental analysis, which actually is the primary driver of the markets, where the market makers actually derive the strength of economy so that they can see which currency is going to be stronger than the other one. So if Jerome Powell comes and tells us that the US dollar is going to be stronger due to decrease of inflation or any other release that has been made, we can see that reflecting on the charts. And the reflection on the charts can be predicted using the technical part of trading, which is technical analysis. So in this particular case, we can see that the fundamentals and the technical analysis are within or are bundled together so that we can have an outcome. Then the third thing is actually sentiment. Sometimes the NFP can come positive, but you'd see the market reacting otherwise. Why is that so? It's all done, or it's all pushed by the sentimental part of trading, where we are saying the traders, how are they reacting? Are they actually pushing for a buy or for a sell? Are they buying in what has been just released, or they are not? So that is where we actually use these two, because sentimental analysis is actually difficult. A lot of other people use volume, but in my case, I've seen it not as much accurate as this particular tool. So what is Advanced Insights? It's actually an AI sentiment and volatility tool. You actually use these two to see how the crowd of traders are reacting to a particular news release and or the market in general. So it's basically a tool which will actually show you the graphs in form of color-coded portions. Like in this particular case, we can say the red part is sellers and the green part is buyers. So if ever you actually get a moment whereby the technical analysis is actually in line with the fundamental analysis and is also in line with the sentimental analysis, you are likely going to have a high probability entry point. And of course, I will put a disclaimer that that won't be 100%. The market can do otherwise. But we are saying if all these confluence together and tell you one thing, you have a higher probability of success within that particular entry. So basically it has four parts, which is it shows you the pair, then it shows you the fear index, and it shows you the portions of distribution between the buyers and the sellers. And in my case, I've seen that when the market is actually telling me to buy, right, in terms of the fundamentals and in terms of the technical side, when I see a buy setup, and on the sentimental analysis I see more sellers, that is in opposition of what is going to happen, I would take that trade with more confidence. We always say what is more what the crowd is doing is usually what the market opposes. If there are a lot of buyers within the market, usually the market will go to sellers. Otherwise, there won't be enough orders to fill those buyers. So whatever the crowd is doing, that is why you'd see the crowd losing. Why? Because they are actually doing the same thing, and the market will actually dodge what they are planning. So basically, this is actually a tool that I use, and I advise each and every trader to have a look at it. And you need to be part of the HF markets for you to have this too. You can register using a link that I've left in the description box below so that you can see this too. It's actually free to HFM clients. On that note, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.